Myself Himani Kanwal. I have joined Manipal Academy of Higher Education in year 2024, and I am in the MBA batch, semester 2, and it's been a great learning year to study at Manipal and to explore the campus here. I can balance out my career, like I don't have to take an extra gap in my career and then I have to like start my education back again. I can manage both my job, also my education. I can continue my post-graduation year. I have been open up to new digital skills, like learning through different programs like ChatGPT and all, and taking the references and carrying out the analysis of new finance, which is finance subject statistics, which are new to me, so that I can use different apps through for learning. So being from the pharmaceutical background, I can use social media as an handle to learn new subjects, example statistics and finance. No, actually there are many other responsibilities I have which I have to do on the weekends. Then too, I managed to attend the learning classes at least 2 to 3 weeks, and I try to max attend the classes three times a week every weekend, and one or two weekend I get skipped because of other responsibilities. But yeah, the leverage and the benefit it has provided, the recorded class, that we can refer it later on, so that the classes don't get missed out. So that is the pros of MAHE. I always wanted to not get limited to my graduation. I always wanted to do something in post-graduation. So Manipal is one of the best universities where I can get my post-graduation done, and they offer the online learning programs, the additional sessions, seminars, webinars of expertise. Many things have made me confident about this university, like Manipal. We should not stop the education. We should not stop exploring and learning new things, and also you should have that much of hunger and crave to learn new things, because Manipal is one of the oldest universities, oldest campuses, oldest education system of Bengaluru, and it is one of the bestest universities. And from my school friends and colleagues, I got to know that you can opt Manipal over any other universities. So I am basically from Mumbai. I have many universities over there, but still I chose Manipal over.